So what I noticed was, not on this one, but my other Mercer, when I gave it throttle, I noticed that this whole top of the engine was loose. Apparently there's a screw or two back in here. I'm afraid that if I do attempt to fix this and do the repair myself, just to tighten up in here, I'm wondering, from anybody that's built their own Mercer from a kit or has dismantled it, and I know there's a bunch of people out there that have done that and have the skill set to do such a repair or build, could possibly let me know how involved is this to get to these two screws back in here. Right in here. There's a screw here, and I believe there's probably another one, obviously, down in here on this side. All right. Any info would be great. If it's not too bad, I'll attempt it myself. Please let me know. Thank you.